This particular video is an extension of the K2tog, and it's the K3tog, which is a right-leaning double decrease. The knit 3 together is exactly what you'd think it is. It's rather like the knit 2 together, except we're using 3 stitches rather than 2. So how's it done? The tip of the right needle goes into the first 3 stitches, as if to knit, because that's exactly what we're going to do. All 3 stitches together. It can be a bit tricky to squeeze it through right there like that. Wrap around, anti-clockwise as always, draw the new loop through all 3 of those, and then slide them all off together. Let me show you that one more time. I'll just knit one more stitch to get a little bit further away from it. So in this case, the tip of the right needle goes into the first 1, 2, and 3 stitches all together, wiggling its way in to make sure you don't split the yarn in any way. Wrap the working yarn anti-clockwise around your working needle, which in this case is the right needle. Draw the loop back through, coming out the way you went in, and slip all of those 3 stitches off together. If you look very closely, you can see those 3 stitches stacking up on top of each other, leaning over towards the right. It's the front stitch that gives it the lean, and in this case, the K3tog is a right-leaning double decrease. And that's the knit 3 together, also known as the K3tog.